How does a single leader rise to become the wealthiest president on the planet, holding a personal empire so vast it stands shoulder to shoulder with the fortunes of the world's most powerful business giants? This is not the kind of wealth you find on magazine covers or stock market charts. This is influence wrapped in secrecy, assets hidden behind shell companies, loyal allies, offshore accounts, and state-controlled industries. Behind the scenes, these rulers command unimaginable power, controlling resources that shape economies, shift global politics, and alter the world's balance of authority. So who is the figure at the very top? And how do the world's richest leaders build fortunes larger than some nations' entire GDP? Let's take a deep look at 5 of the most financially powerful heads of state on Earth. 5. Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, worth roughly $4 billion, isn't only the vice president and prime minister of the UAE. He is the architect who redesigned Dubai into one of the world's most luxurious and futuristic cities. Under his leadership, deserts became skylines. Sand dunes turned into global business districts. Landmarks like the Burj Khalifa, Palm Jumeirah, and the Dubai Marina rose from nothing, redefining what a modern city could be. His personal world reflects this same grandeur. He resides in Zabil Palace, a sprawling estate filled with handcrafted decor, marble halls, private gardens, and royal stables designed for world-class horses. This palace isn't just a home. It's a symbol of Dubai's transformation under his rule. His automotive collection includes some of the rarest creations on Earth: a gold-plated Rolls-Royce Phantom, custom-made supercars, and a Bugatti Veyron valued at nearly $1.7 million. He commands fleets of private jets and yachts that mirror his passion for engineering, speed, and elegance. Internationally, he fosters alliances in technology, trade, energy, and tourism. His global influence reaches far beyond the Middle East, and his security is tightly coordinated, a system built to protect a man who stands at the center of global attention. His wealth and vision have made him one of the most impactful leaders of the 21st century. 4. Kim Jong-un. Kim Jong-un, with an estimated personal fortune of $5 billion, remains one of the most mysterious and controversial leaders alive. As the supreme leader of North Korea, he holds absolute authority, a level of power unmatched anywhere else in the world. While his country is isolated, his own lifestyle is defined by luxury. His private compound, the Ryongsong residence, often referred to as the Forbidden City, contains underground routes, indoor pools, lakes, spas, and dedicated entertainment rooms. He is rumored to own dozens of foreign luxury cars despite international sanctions, from bulletproof Mercedes-Maybach limousines to Rolls-Royces and top-tier SUVs. His security is unmatched in its paranoia and precision. He travels with rings of bodyguards who physically surround him, forming human barriers. His motorcades move at unpredictable speeds, using decoy vehicles to avoid threats. Every movement is rehearsed, every step monitored. Kim maintains a complicated international presence. His relationship with China serves as a political lifeline, while negotiations with the United States have shifted between high tension and rare diplomacy. Talks with South Korea have shaped regional politics in ways that affect the entire world. Even though he rarely appears in public outside North Korea, every action he takes influences global stability. 3. Mohammed bin Salman MBS. Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, known worldwide as MBS, is estimated to have a personal fortune of around $25 billion. As the kingdom's de facto ruler, he is reshaping Saudi Arabia for a new era. His signature initiative, Vision 2030, aims to pull the country away from its reliance on oil by investing heavily in artificial intelligence, megacities, tourism projects like NEOM, entertainment, sports, and renewable energy. He is modernizing a nation while simultaneously navigating criticism for human rights issues and an assertive style of governance. His personal assets show the lifestyle of a modern prince. He reportedly purchased Chateau Louis XIV, a $300 million French mansion with fountains, manicured gardens, extravagant interiors, and even an underwater meditation room. His cars include ultra-rare hypercars like the $1.5 million Bugatti Veyron and multiple Rolls-Royces customized to personal specifications. On the world stage, MBS maintains strategic relationships with global giants such as the US and China. He is also shaping alliances across the Middle East, strengthening ties with Egypt, the UAE, and emerging regional partners. His security is one of the world's most sophisticated, combining elite forces, armored convoys, and advanced surveillance systems. Ambitious, controversial, and influential, he continues to guide Saudi Arabia toward a radically different future. 2. Hassan al-Bolkiah. Hassan al-Bolkiah, Sultan of Brunei, commands an estimated $30 billion fortune, placing him among the world's wealthiest monarchs. Since 1967, he has ruled Brunei as an absolute leader, overseeing a country made wealthy by abundant oil and gas reserves. His palace, Istana Nurul Aman, holds the Guinness World Record as the largest residential palace ever built. Worth more than $1.4 billion, it contains nearly 2,000 rooms, 257 bathrooms, and an air-conditioned stable for his polo horses. Every corner of the palace reflects royal tradition combined with staggering modern luxury. The Sultan's car collection is legendary, with almost 7,000 vehicles, an unmatched fleet containing 600 Rolls-Royces, 450 Ferraris, rare Bentleys, including a gold-coated model, entire sets of custom-made vehicles manufactured exclusively for him. His diplomatic presence is strong, especially with countries such as the UK, the US, Malaysia, and other regional allies. Despite his extravagant lifestyle, he maintains a balance between Brunei's traditions and modern partnerships. Security around him is exceptionally high level, with strict protocols for all movements and locations, a necessity for a ruler of his stature. 1. Vladimir Putin. And at the top sits Vladimir Putin, widely rumored to possess a personal fortune that could reach $200 billion, though the true figure remains hidden behind layers of financial secrecy. If accurate, it would make him the richest head of state in modern history. Putin's wealth is believed to be tied to stakes in major Russian corporations, as well as influence over the nation's energy and natural resource sectors. He is said to have access to vast holdings and assets that aren't publicly listed under his name. One of the most famous properties linked to him is the massive Black Sea Palace, a billion-dollar cliffside compound featuring grand ballrooms, a private theater, secret tunnels, a helipad, and even an underground ice rink. Other residences and retreats are believed to exist, though details remain highly restricted. His vehicle collection, while not openly showcased, is reported to include armored, custom-built limousines engineered for extreme protection. Internationally, Putin's relationships are highly strategic, maintaining alliances with China, Iran, and various post-Soviet states, while clashing with Western nations. His security is considered one of the most advanced on Earth, with layers of elite guards, decoys, encrypted communication, and advanced surveillance protecting him at all times. Despite global controversy, Putin remains a dominant and unpredictable force in world politics, a leader whose power and wealth shape geopolitical events on a massive scale. This is the world of the wealthiest presidents and rulers, a world where political authority blends with staggering personal fortunes, where luxury meets secrecy, and where influence stretches far beyond borders. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful content. Stay tuned, more stories like this are on the way.